Hello everybody, we are again talking about chapter 3, connecting with community, and we are going to take lesson 7. Next we are going to deal with what we have talking about newspaper and the newspaper team roles. Now the newspaper, as we have said before, it is a newspaper, it is a public thing that we use it for dealing with our community, and we are connecting our community. And the newspaper is not, it doesn't be published even, but we have the team inside it. We have, first of all, the head man or the manager. The manager oversees the work to ensure everyone understands their roles and their jobs, and the group completes the work on time. So he is the man, he is responsible to give orders to the group of people, which are the community of the newspaper, who is going to deal, everyone is going to deal with certain subject, and he oversees what they are doing and what they are going to make. Okay? Next. We are going to the one who is under the manager. It is the editor. The editor reviews the pieces selected to be sure there is a variety of topics or all of the pieces are about the same topic. Again, as we said, the newspaper, it's not only for local news, no, but for world news, for sport news, for art news, different kinds of news. And the editor is the one who is, he is again revising, seeing the pieces which are selected by the reporters, and he is selecting them and how to deal with the different kinds of information inside them. Also, we have the graphic designer. The graphic designer is the one who adds additional drawings to the newspaper to go along with the piece of the writing selected. Means the newspaper is not only for writing, it will be boring. Only writing, no. We have to put drawings in the article so as to attract your eyes, so as to be more concentrating on what you are reading, and you want to know what this article is talking about. So the drawing attracts your eyes for reading this article. So it is the man who is responsible of it. It is the graphic designer. Okay? Next, layout specialist. Layout, as we see in our presentation, he is the one who decides where each piece of the writing will go on in the newspaper. As the newspaper is, it is different kinds or several pages in the newspaper, and how to organize the pieces which are the articles that the reporter or the man who has written it inside it. Okay? Next. We have something different, which is also another kind of media. It is mural. Mural, it is a photo that share an information with a cool way, as cooperation is the first step to success. It is a kind of drawing. It is in a large scale. It may be put on the wall. Maybe when you are walking in the road, on the sides of the road, or on the bridge, we have this big photo. It talks about a general idea we want to emphasize on. As we said before, that a drop of water, it means life. Okay, or you have to keep your city clean. So this is a very important information. We emphasize on it, and we make a drawing that gives the instruction on this words. Okay? Next. Now we are going to make a plan for newspaper. For example, we are going to decide to make a newspaper for our school, in our school, and we are going to publish it. Okay? First of all, first step, we are going to choose a name for our newspaper. Maybe, for example, arts and sports. the main title. So the newspaper of our school newspaper is about art and sports. Second thing in this plan, we select a piece of writing you want to write about in the newspaper. For example, in the art we are, for example, choosing Adil Imam, and in the sports we are going to choose Muhammad Salah. So we are going to choose certain topic or certain subject, and we are going to talk about it. Third, it is to review the pieces of writing and make any changes. Means that maybe you want to change the words or the vocab or the style of the sentence. This means you are going to review, to reread it and make certain changes. Fourth step, it is to create the final versions of the pieces of the writing selected. Means the pieces of writing which we are doing, maybe our team is consisting of 10 persons and everyone is making an article, and we are going to organize it and to create the final thing, the final style of our newspaper. Fifth step, we add name to the first page. Add your newspaper name to the first page. First page, we are talking about, as we said, we are going to talk about Adil Imam. So Adil Imam is the Za'im, for example. So it is the title of what we are talking about, and then we are going to put the article which is considering or talking about Adil Imam. Next, we are going to talk about, again, the sixth step, which is lay out and glue the pieces of writing on the first page and the inside pages. As we have said before, the newspaper is not only writing only. No, we have to put drawings and pictures that make support to what we are talking about in the article. The seventh step, it is to add additional drawings or graphic. Maybe your pictures is not enough, so you can do different drawings and different graphics. We collect them from the computer or from other way, and we put it in our newspaper. And the eighth step, which is the final step, we have to number the pages of our newspaper. So when newspaper maybe 5 pages or 10 pages, you have to put page 1 to till the end. Thank you very much, and I hope you have understand the lesson. Goodbye.